Hello, fellow techies and friends. Welcome to ProER. As the global population hurtles towards 9.7 billion people by 2050, it has never been more important to produce more with less. As the water supply and sanitation sector continues to face increasing pressures, especially due to the impacts of climate change, governments in the developing world will need to increase the sector's resilience and sustainability. Innovation and technology have a vital role to play in scarcity and safety, water efficiency, utility operations, monitoring and treatment, and data and analytics. Global entrepreneurs are witnessing a greater willingness by utilities and business to test and adopt promising technologies. The innovations showcased in this video are a diverse range of solutions reimagining a water-resilient future globally. Number 5. Arable. Arable is a developer of an integrated system for agriculture that helps digitize and optimize decisions from seed breeding to food production. The sensor and analytics platform of the Arable provides real-time, actionable insights with predictive capabilities for agriculture and food systems. The platform measures everything that matters to the crop, from the weather to the soil, to the plant itself, by the use of a unique set of spectral and thermal sensors. This enables Arable to observe a crop's development through the season and determine the onset of stress due to a lack of water or nutrients. Its integrated hardware, agronomic modeling, and software suite is enabling farmers, agronomists, researchers, processors, and food companies to understand the crop system at the plant, field, and region level, which helps to reduce risk, improve productivity, and optimize for sustainability. Simple to operate, Arable Bridge seamlessly integrates data from auxiliary sensors, anemometers, soil moisture probes, and pressure switches into the Arable platform, enabling us to synthesize multiple streams of in-field data into a single unified system of measures. Supported sensors include soil moisture probe data for irrigation decisions, wind conditions and forecasting for spray timing, and flow meter data for water usage tracking. Arable received recognition, including the Irrigation Association's Best New Product of 2018, Plug and Play's Top 10 AgTech Companies to Watch in 2019, and Thrive's Top 50 Companies for 2020 awards. Number 4. Cloud-to-Street. CloudStreet is a platform for flood tracking in near real-time anywhere on the Earth through global satellites, machine learning and community intelligence for identifying disasters to ensure risk and save lives. It targets 90% of households in emerging markets who are currently uninsured. The enterprise platform delivers critical insights about the extent and impact of flood events. It is built for practitioners who need to understand and respond to flooding. Its analytical engine provides a high-resolution, down to 30 centimeters, and near real-time picture anywhere on Earth, including populations at risk, impaired roads and infrastructure, and property and agricultural damage. The customizable cloud-to-street platforms allows professionals to make better decisions in complex, rapidly evolving situations, whether protecting an entire country or assessing risk for a single factory. Cloud-to-Street fuse together a global network of optical and radar satellites to monitor floods anywhere on Earth. Their industry-leading algorithms smooth out difficult terrain and eliminate clouds to see the floods below. Traditional flood maps use hydrology models and simulations to predict flood risk, whereas Cloud-to-Street directly observe floods without ground equipment to measure risk better than traditional models for frequent flood events. It monitor and analyze flooding events as they unfold. By combining daily satellite observations with high-frequency precipitation and ground data, it pinpoint flooded areas and whether things are getting better or worse. It enables insurers to price premiums more accurately and use objective flood data to validate and trigger claims payments. It also helps to prioritize claims by severity and potential fraud. Number 3. Oneka. Oneka is another company that helps consumers obtain safe drinking water without utilizing land or emitting greenhouse gases. With a focus on small island developing states, Oneka's wave-powered desalination buoys convert ocean water to drinking water. Each buoy can produce 10 cubic meters of drinking water per day, saving an estimated 34,000 kilograms of CO2 per year. Oneka offers an all-in-one desalination system where everything needed to produce drinking water from seawater is included in the buoys at sea. This includes pumping offshore through reverse osmosis filters and membranes to obtain high-quality drinking water. The buoys are entirely composed of mechanical components, which facilitates their maintenance. The Oneka desalination system does not require external energy, fuel or solar panels, only waves of decent height for the production of drinking water. Compared with the traditional diesel desalination system, which has a high cost, you can save up to 70% of your total bill by choosing Oneka for your drinking water consumption. The average water supply can be adjusted by changing the number of buoys in a group of buoys. You can gradually convert your conventional water consumption by increasing the number of units installed. It is also very convenient to be able to increase the number of units according to the water demand, without the need to build a new desalination plant or build a large installation in advance. The all-in-one desalination system, totally included in the buoys, is located a few hundred meters from the coast. It does not need land space, with a desalination plant, as it is the case for all other available solutions. All that is needed is a connection to your water distribution network or to a water reserve. The coastal land is of high importance and, ideally, should be used for purposes other than the installation of public services. In addition, from an ecological point of view, to operate the Oneka system, there is no need for deforestation. Unlike solar energy solution, brine is the water released from the buoy that has captured salt ions from desalination. The Oneka system releases a brine with a salinity that is only slightly, plus or minus 30%, higher than that of the ocean. In addition, since each buoy has its own water inlet and outlet, the discharge is distributed over a large area and is rapidly diluted, thus not affecting the ocean's salinity and the marine ecosystem. Stay tuned till the end and give the video a thumbs up while you also smash the subscription. Number 2. Gecko Robotics. Gecko Robotics delivers comprehensive inspection solutions giving an unprecedented understanding of asset health. It's used to collect and make useful physical data in order to protect civilization's most critical infrastructure by taking preventative and predictive maintenance decisions. It is a system that is creative, yet disciplined, rugged, yet pliable, in a word flexible. Our world demands critical infrastructure be reliable. Inspection and maintenance are mainstays in achieving this outcome. Gecko Robotics is a robot-enabled inspection method that produces thickness grid maps that identify areas where corrosion and other damage mechanisms have caused wall thinning. Wall climbing robots perform non-destructive inspections on tanks, boilers, scrubbers, piping, and more. Using specially designed sensor payloads, robots can inspect wall thickness, pitting, and many other forms of degradation. Their robots collect 1,000 times more information with continuous data capture at speeds an average of 10 times faster than previous methods. All of your inspection data is intuitively presented in 2D and 3D within their cloud-based organizer. Thickness filters allow for quick identification of high wear areas, and inspection-to-inspection differencing lets you calculate erosion rates to determine when your asset will cross steam in. Number 1. Suez. Suez Water Technology provides wastewater treatment solutions for municipal business and industrial users to extract energy from wastewater. Anaerobic digestion plants use biological hydrolysis to convert sludge to biosolids and biogas that can power the plant. Designed to recycle biosolids into methane and valuable byproducts, Suez's advanced anaerobic digestion technologies use bacteria in the absence of oxygen to break down matter to create biogas. The biogas can be combusted or oxidized and used for heating, or with a CHP engine to produce electricity and heat. It can also be compressed and used as fuel for vehicles, with the cake produced, used as a fertilizer. Targeted to municipal wastewater sludge, Suez's biosolids solutions include advanced anaerobic digestion, digester upgrading, co-digestion and Class A biosolids. Some of the benefits of anaerobic digestion system are it produces Class A biosolids, which are biosafe and can be land applied without restrictions. Separating the acid and methane forming phases makes the digestion process more efficient and more effective. Aeration is not required, so energy costs are low. Other benefits include, total hydraulic retention time is greatly reduced, which means smaller digesters can be used and associated costs are lower. Foaming is virtually eliminated because no cardiobacteria, the typical cause of digester foaming, is destroyed in the thermophilic stage. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the videos and contents, please like, comment and subscribe our channel.